Hello guys, I wanted to introduce this toilet by CANEST. I got it as a gift from my seller actually, and I was looking in information about it, and actually really nice and cool features in it, including like a dual flush, quiet, easy installation. I'll do the open box right now. I'll show you what comes in the box, and a few minutes later I'll do the installation, so I'll show you some parts how to install it and the final when it's done installation. So let me open. So already took out of the box. It was nice and safe package. It was no defect, no damage. It comes like in this form. It was nice and secure. So this is the lid right here. Like I was saying, it's a dual flush. So you have a for bigger and smaller, I would say. So it has a dual flush. This is the cover right there. When you install it, this is the final. You put the cover in, so you won't see any screws or stuff like that. Comes with the covers, hardware, for everything for the installation, how you can be installing it. I'll demonstrate in a few minutes, or in a few seconds. Of course, instruction. With the installation, there's some pictures as well right here. So, and there's the main right there. The sealer right there to seal it up. You put it between the downpipe and the toilet. So there will be no leaks when it's flushing. So that's the toilet right here. Let me give you a demonstration of its installation. Okay, this is the final over here. Already done the installation. So that's how it looks for here. That's the size, the actual size for right here. If you have a difficult understanding to see in a picture how it looks like, so that's how it is right here. The bolts for the installation is right here. It is with the cover up, so it's all covered. It's really nice, and it's actually it's quiet and powerful with the flush, dual flush. There's both sides for the flushing, and has soft landing right there automatically. So you don't have to push it in. Both things, and the seat itself and the cover, and they have two different flush right there for if you go with small or big. Yeah, I like the design, how it looks in one piece right there. It's stable.